So we have just reached the resort out here, and even before we get off the bikes, we have been served with refreshing cucumber juice. I mean, it's really nice, sweet, fresh. See, I have not even got off the bike. I just got off the bike, that's it, and people are enjoying. Nice. Hi Bindu, how was it? How was the ride as a pillion? On the curves. Oh, 67 kilometers of just going around. Just twisties. Dream. Beautiful. Hey Vijay. Okay, I'm recording, man.
I didn't know you were.
I'm hoping he'll edit it.
Yeah.
Bloopers.
Yes.
Ah,
Someday.
time नहीं मिलता. कितना करेगा? See, Vishal is looking so happy.
मजा आ गया कर.
मस्त आ गया ना कर्व्स पे. Hey dude, how was it? Twisties तो fun था ना?
It was very nice.
My mind is bent right now. Okay. Nice. On the way. Like I said, this place is right in the midst of the greenery and the forest. So you can imagine, once the sun goes down, it will be like, woohoo! Wow. So I will keep reporting on what we are planning to do. The idea is have quick lunch, make the most of the time that we have here, go to at least one point today for sure. Let's see. I'll keep you updated. Bye. Ooh. Red galore. This is my room out here, and all the different rooms out here. 4 occupancy. Decent size rooms, decent size changing rooms and restrooms. So now basically proceeding for lunch. It's what, 2 o'clock? Aren't you hungry?
I am very hungry.
Same. So let's have lunch, and then so the plan now is, of course, have lunch and then go to a viewpoint which is close by, because Kyatyanmaki Peak from here is 1 hour drive and then 45 minutes climb and then come back 45. So basically the rest of the day will go only in that, and it will be dark by the time we come back. It doesn't make sense. So the suggestion being made is go to a viewpoint which is close to this place, which has good views it seems, then use their facilities of pool, mud pool and other sporting activities. So once we finish the pool activity, the day will be over and we'll see what to do next. It looks like this is the dining hall. Oh, you have to put the footwear out. Footwear stays out. Okay. सब लोग नो प्रॉब्लम चल. Footwear is allowed, he's saying.
Is it?
Samir bhai.
हाँ भाई.
Kori roti. This is called kori roti.
Kori roti. What is it
South
made of?
Canara special. Rice.
Rice. I've never seen this, huh?
You never seen?
No.
Taste with chicken.
It is kind of like a papad, but you're supposed to soak it in the curry.
Chicken. So what you should do is first you put this on top of it. You should put chicken curry.
You heard of chicken gazi?
हाँ.
Chicken gazi is
And
what
we have
in,
pundi also. You know what is pundi?
देखा है मैं.
Firti.
the chicken gazi goes with this curry roti.
सही है. So let's.
ओ भाई कितना बड़ा है.
That's what I'm saying ना. Glorified tub.
बहुत बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है. डूब जाएंगे सब. So this is the swimming pool of this resort. Pretty small for the number of people that are here right now. What is up here? Oh, things under construction. More rooms, I guess. Pretty sunny out here and warm. Whoa. So I have to consider what to do now. The pool is pretty small. By the way, the lunch was good. Traditional cuisine from this place. Simple food but healthy food, but quite good amount of variety in veg and in non-veg. I had veg. Woohoo! Woo! So here we go, guys. We are going towards some waterfall that the resort guy is taking us to. We just finished our lunch and within 15 minutes we are off to that waterfall, which is probably in the vicinity. Here we go. That's our resort back there. And Nitin boy! So Nitin has come in vehicle as usual again. He has dumped us. Whoa. Aram se. Oh, suddenly we have come in the open. And I don't know if you can see that. There's a beautiful peak up there. Woo. Wow. Oh man, that's cool. अरे हाँ पूरा हेज है. I don't know if you can make out the silhouette. Beautiful. Woo. Whoa. Look at the valley below. I hope you can see through the haze. There is a lot of haze out here, but we are quite high up, and that peak in the front looks just amazing. Vijay! Oh. Entering a green zone, kind of going downhill now, as you can see. Woo! You can't watch this. Go, keep going. I'll bring a manka. You lose track there. So surrounded by a lot of greenery now. As you can see, it is like crazily warm, sunny. I'm sure I might be in the contrast because it's pretty bright. Nice. Hey, challenge to you. Will you stay here for the night? I'm challenging him to stay here for the night. You can? Wow.
I'm grown up in this condition.
Oh, then it is fine. I'm spoilt in the urban setup. So, okay, what have we here? The mud pool. Cool. And now you are supposed to play in this. Then later on go to the waterfall. Clean yourself up. Woo. Kannan, joining the ride first time, right? BTB or?
Yeah.
Oh,
First time.
cool. So you have been a regular rider or
I do solo, like, and
Solo?
sometimes I go with one of my friends. So I joined this BTP like 2 months back.
Okay. But first ride with
First
them.
try.
Ye dekho. She has made herself comfortable.
ಸರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ತೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ತೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರಲ್ವಾ
Nice. आप लोग नहीं जा रहे हो? You are going in the? Beautiful setup out here. The guys have got into the pool out here, the mud pool, and debating whether to play metaphor or volleyball. Nice. Woo! So special fan being provided out here.
ಸಾಕು ಮಚ್ಚ ಗಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಮಚ್ಚ
So the expert guidance and comments coming from the spectators here. The kids in the muddy pool getting choreographed by this team here. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. Okay, now we need to head over to the waterfall which is there. Cool. Let's see what's there. Wow. Look at this, boys and girls. Beautiful sight, right? Amongst these tall trees. Looks beautiful. Wow. Wow. Just look at this place, guys. Woo-hoo. Ah, beach, na? Yes, yes, I went there. I built a castle in the sand and I came here.
छोटा waterfalls. हम लोग बारिश के बाद फिर से आएंगे.
हाँ, आ जाओ नितिन भाई. सही है भाई. बहुत प्यार उमड़ रहा है. Ah. Oh.
अरे यार
Look at these guys enjoying the waterfall after the muddy game that they had. Nice. And this water was pretty clear before they entered up there. I don't know if the camera can get it. There are many water spiders out there floating on the surface. Woohoo! Wow, small stream but good enough for our BTBI and gamers to clean up themselves. Nice.
यहाँ पे ऐसे
Beautiful, right behind the mountain. It's going to take some time before the actual sunset happens. Oh. Wow. Nice scene.
अरे भाई उसका फुल टैंक है उंगली को यूं करो और ये करो
Hello. Guys, the sunset is, I think, half an hour away. 18:02. What is the sunset? देखा किसी ने time?
माउंटेन इज द सनसेट माउंटेन के नीचे डूबा खत्म हां वही हमारे लिए हम हिल में है तो वो बड़ा है ना तो माउंटेन नहीं हुआ ना वो बड़ा सबसे बड़ा माउंटेन दैट इज नॉट अपहिल
Wow. Beautiful scene out here right now. The sunset happening just behind the mountain there. Wow. Okay, so we are now getting ready for the evening festivities per se. Just witnessed a fabulous sunrise. Sunset. Tired for the day. Cool. Wait.
Wait, wait! Let me just go that side. No. I'm so pro. You can see.
I'm recording. Ah.
We'll do it and capture these guys' reaction.
Everybody is in frame right now.
All these people will make us dead.
You'll make sure you sit on that.
I can go back. That is our own car. Okay, ready? Guys, shot ready? Hey, Vishal. How? क्या होता है?
नहीं कुछ नहीं होता
नहीं, no. Just action, don't throw.
मैं ये रिकॉर्ड तो कर रहा हूँ, मैं यूज कर कहाँ करूँगा इसको?
Okay. Girls practicing for.
हाँ.
And it's a shot. Hey, reaction करो, go. What is it?
विशाल ऐसे फोन में डूबा हुआ है लेकिन उसका दिल धड़ 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 धड़.
This side. Vishal's being
Hey, you guys do one thing. We'll finish the bottle and we'll give it.
No. And it's a shot.
हाँ अभी बाय मिस्टेक भी हो गया ना.